Here I've got HTC Desire 12S, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the messages, and once you click to create a new one, just by tapping on plus, you can see the current language that you are set up with. In my case it's English, so as you can see we can smoothly write in English. But if you would like to change it, just enter more icon, select language, and you can either pick one from the following list, so for example Arabic. But if it's not listed here, if the language that you want to apply is not listed right here, just select add language, then scroll down and select it. Let me pick, for example, this one. I don't even know what that language is, but still, let me pick it. It will be the visible difference. And now tap on language. Okay, it has not been added, I guess. Let me switch off Arabic. Okay, so let me mark it one more time. Let's go back. And now we will be able to activate it just by tapping. So here it is. And that will be all. So this is how you can smoothly and easily change language in your device, to change keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.